Go.
Hi, my name is Janet Fontello, and my relevant person speech is Dr. Eric Kimmick. Each year, millions of Americans are diagnosed or die as victims of cancer. If you or a family member were told you had cancer, what would you do? How would you feel? Where would you turn to for help and information? With new scientific discoveries every year, maybe someday we can beat cancer. Someone close to home that is working harder than ever to develop ways to fight cancer is Dr. Eric Kimmick, PhD. He is a geneticist and the director at the Helen Graham Cancer Center and Research Institute in Delaware. As an allied health major, improvements in medical care are important to me. I admire Dr. Eric Kimmick because he strives every day to develop techniques to improve diagnosis and treatment of cancer. His research interests me for three reasons. First, he developed a genome editing system to modify or replace DNA cells with normal cells. Secondly, Dr. Kimmick combines research and drug development with laboratory sciences and education. Lastly, his research and development in genome therapy may one day reduce or cure cancer. Dr. Kimmick is developing a genome editing system to modify or replace abnormal DNA cells with normal cells. He holds the basal patents for oligonucleotide-mediated gene repair, which basically means targeting or correcting gene mutations, such as cancer, to replace these cells with normal, non-cancerous cells. Dr. Kimmick is the co-owner of 5w1eng124, a company designated in DNA gene repair, directed to molecular repair of targeted genes. His history in this field has led him to be director of the Laboratory of Applied Genomics at the Delaware Biotechnology Institute and the founder and director of the Gene Editing Institute at the Helen Graham Cancer Center and Research Institute in Delaware. At this center, he has developed a gene editing system named EXACT. The EXACT system allows repair to damaged DNA within human cells and determines when the DNA is introduced to unwanted genetic markers. Dr. Kimmick also combines his research and drug development with laboratory services and education. He is a professor at the University of Delaware, teaching in the Department of Biological Sciences. He works to develop cures and therapeutics for diseases such as sickle cell, cancer, Huntington's disease, and other inherited disorders. To engage students, he is working to develop a college and high school kit to use in the classroom relating to conducting gene editing experiments. Through his research and developments in genome therapy, Dr. Kimmick's research may help to reduce or cure cancer. His research may augment the effects of chemo or reduce the amount of chemo that a patient needs. His EXACT gene editing system may help the body to naturally fight off the cells before they become a cancerous tissue. Someday, his research may lead to innovations in cancer treatment, like a vaccine, by activating T cells or T killer cells that would attack the tumor inside the body. As an allied health major, improvements in medical care are important to me. I admire because he strives every day to develop techniques to improve diagnosis and treatment for cancer. Dr. Kimmick's research interests me for three reasons. First, he developed a gene editing system to modify or replace abnormal DNA cells with normal cells. Secondly, Dr. Kimmick combines research and drug development with laboratory services and education. Lastly, Dr. Kimmick's research and developments in genome therapy may one day help reduce or cure cancer. Each year, millions of Americans are diagnosed or die as victims of cancer. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to activate your own genetic cells to kill cancer? Someday, Dr. Kimmick's research may lead to just that, a cure for cancer.